Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create classic system shortcut on Windows 10. Right-click New, Shortcut. Copy text from description and paste it. Click Next. Type System. Click Finish. Right-click Properties. Click Change Icon. Select any icon in the list. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.